Hi friends, today we're going to learn about another new CVC activity. This one is called What's in the Middle? And look over here, we have my friend that looks like an Oreo because the best part of an Oreo is the middle. So today we're going to think about the middle sound and then match the letter to that sound. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example with the first one. What's in the middle? Now remember, when we're tapping out words, we're thinking about all the sounds that the words are making. So this is a picture of a box. So we're going to tap out the word box, B-A-X, box. And B-A-A is O, octopus A. So I know that the first one is going to have an O in the middle. The next one is a picture of jam. J-am. Ah, ah. You hear the am sound because am is, you know that the word am, that little family that we have, has an A in the beginning of it. Now, this one, this little boy is sweating and the temperature is all the way up, so he must be hot. H-A-T. At. So we know that the A is an O. This is a picture of a map. M-app. M-app. M-app is map, and that is an A in the middle. This is a picture of a mat. So this one is at. At, and that has an A in the middle because you hear the ah sound. And this is a picture of a dog, D-og, with an O in the middle. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing. Once you're done with this, you're going to exit out and press the submit button so that your teachers can see all of your correct answers. If you have any questions, let us know.